What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So we got a special video today. Y'all can see by the thumbnail, I'm about to pull R&B out, and we're gonna take Margot for a ride. Y'all previously saw her in the ride reaction I did with John Jones when I took the 3 visually impaired people for a ride, members of my mother-in-law support group. But I thought about this. I was like, I had mentioned it to her. I was like, I want to take you for a ride in R&B in the Cutlass. You know, a big rim car, cause you got so many stereotypes, and you know, when it comes to that, and a lot of that big rim cars and stuff on the internet, it's always black versus white, cause you know, you got cultural differences, like, and they're just a fact. Like, we all different when it comes to cultural stuff, like whether it's food, the way we dress, or our religion, you know, it's different things. Just different cultures, different ethnicities do different things different ways, basically. So you know, it's just getting an understanding, and just not saying she's somebody that hates big rim cars. It's just that it'll be a breath of fresh air on the internet to see 2 people enjoying themselves and stuff. I'm gonna take her for a ride. I ain't gonna really do nothing too crazy. I might do a burn. I'll get some Thai smoke song called R&B. R&B is the cruising. But we're gonna get her in the car. We're gonna have a little talk, man. I hope y'all look at this video thoroughly. I hope it makes somebody smile and, you know, put some smile on people's face, man. It's just a breath of fresh air. So y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna catch y'all from the GoPro. Alright, checking in, y'all. So we checking in on another video. So I wanted to take Margot for her first ride in a big rim car, just to get an experience. You know, it ain't the fastest, but she rode in a Camaro, so this is a different change of pace. But I just wanted to take her for a ride, you know, cause it's a big rim car, just to see how it ride and handle and stuff like that. It's a little quick. We're gonna do a little pull when we turn around though. Let's see what do. It's a different change of pace. It's nothing like the Camaro.
It is. But it's very powerful, but man, it grips the road.
Yeah. But overall, how does it ride? Is it pretty smooth to you?
Smooth.
Yeah, I like we were just talking about.
I can borrow this from you, right?
Oh yeah, anytime. Come and get
anytime.
it. You can come and get it.
Yeah.
But we were talking off of camera, man. She's such a great individual. You know, just we're talking about some life. You know, giving input on life and stuff, just insight and stuff. You know, she's a great person and stuff. So.
A good ride.
Yeah, it's just smooth. It's smooth.
It's like, it's like, whew.
It turns a lot of heads. Like I was telling her, y'all, like, y'all know I like to do certain calls, certain ways to catch people's attention, more so to you. Like people younger. That's why I tell other people younger than me, cause y'all know I'm not flashy. I don't do jewelry and all that stuff. But you know, I like cars, so you know we can capture the attention like that way. So
that's right.
And before I was telling her, like, before we even decided to do this, I was telling her the cultural part of you know, big rims and stuff. And I like people seeing this, cause you know we got so much stuff going on with race and all that. And I love everybody. Y'all know that. Y'all meet me in person. I love everybody and all. It just seeing this right here is a change of pace on the internet.
Exactly.
With so much negativity.
Exactly.
It's a change of pace, like, you know, more positive stuff, being open and all of that.
Well,
So.
it's good to not see color.
Exactly.
And you know, I've been very blessed in my life, and I feel fortunate that that's the way I was raised. You know, because
that's great.
Because that stands the test of time.
It definitely does. Like, Y'all, she really is. She a genuinely good person, cool person. You know, like we've been talking off camera and stuff. So I want to do this, give y'all a change of pace. Y'all know I like to do something. I do something called Car Talk. I'm starting, where I just ride around and I interview like different people.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, like just nothing hot run, just car talk, just about life and all that, you know, what they done went through and stuff.
Right. Well, people need to know that others have gone through what they're going through and how you did what you did to get to the other side.
Right.
Which is great. I mean, your mechanism, of course, is cars, among others, but that's great.
Yeah, this is my vehicle, y'all. Vehicle, but my vehicle that get through to people too. So we'll do this.
That was screaming. That was good.
Yeah, that's that supercharger.
That was really good. But it kicks right in, and it was like...
Yeah, it's instant.
Yeah.
Versus the Camaro. The Camaro was a build-up. So.
Right. Oh my gosh, that was great. I love it.
So while we're driving, let me ask you this: what brought you to the Living Life team? Like,
you know, it really had to do with being desperate, frankly, because people who walk our walk, no matter what circumstances, you have to find other people who know what the walk's like and to help you get to another part that's in a better place than where you were.
that's true.
And I met Rita because she met a girl who was sister with another friend when I moved to Georgia, and I got brave and called her one day, and it was the best decision I ever made because Living Life team is like none other, and I had searched high and low to find anything like it, and it's one of a kind.
I'm glad you found it, because it's a great organization, y'all. Like they like a tight-knit family and stuff. So, you know, if you got a family member that might be visually impaired in Georgia, y'all can contact my mother-in-law or contact me through my social media, you know, Facebook. Y'all got my email, and I will put you in contact, you know. So it's just a great thing, you know, great people and stuff in the organization, and it just helps build character too. So
exactly, because everything about the group is about helping a person be the best that they could be.
Exactly.
Even though we can't see worth a flip, some of us can't see at all, you know. And Rita, I learned how to walk with the cane. I learned how to use a knife again. I've learned how to fix my appliances to where I can actually cook again, because baking and cooking were one of my things that I gave up when I lost my sight. So it's given me pieces of me back, and I'm grateful.
That's
blessed.
Great. I'm glad to hear that. I'm really glad to hear that. So look, I want to do this little short ride with y'all, so y'all can, you know, hear from and stuff, and just get y'all a change of pace on the internet and all this negative stereotyping and stuff. So, man, I hope this video put a smile on some people's faces and stuff, you know. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on.
That would be awesome, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on shortly.
That's okay.
But before we get back, we gotta do this, cause this not a fast car.
Okay.
Now, when the last time you did a burnout?
Oh, about 30 years ago.
30 years ago.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a burnout right quick, y'all.
Okay, woo!
Before we go back.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
All right, now we can get back to the house, y'all. So I'm gonna give her that experience, and then we're gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. We got R&B all put up, covered up. Margot just left. So great experience, man. That was a great experience. Like I said, it's just overall good time, man. It was a good talk. That was a good talk, man. We need to see more of this on the internet. I said, breath of fresh air, you know, cause you got so many people. You go through it, the stereotypes on the internet, man. You know, get called racist comments and stuff because we into big rim cars, and this a South thing. Like, big rims really originated in the South. Like, it's part of our culture and all of that if you're in the car game. Like, so it's just it's, you know, it's African American thing. Like, that's where it originate from. So it's just getting people to understand the meaning behind it, and, you know, to kind of eliminate the stereotypes. She's not a stereotype, but It's just, you know, people always associated black with white, so that's why I was like, hey, let's go for a ride. You know, you can get people to see the thumbnail. People can click on it and see that it don't matter. It don't matter what race you is, man. It matter if you're a good person or not. That's what it is. It matter if you're a good human being or not. Got your head screwed on straight and all of that, man. It was just a good time. And let me tell y'all something. I found out when I got back. I smelled my brakes, and I did that little pull, and the emergency brakes were activated. Man, I had the emergency brakes on since I left Stunt Fest car. I have not driven this car since Stunt Fest. So she didn't even get the real experience of what it is, and I didn't do a legitimate pull. We did a good little burnout, but I mainly did it because I wanted y'all to just see the positivity, man. And, you know, hear some good real talk and all of that. So it was just an overall good day, man. It was a good day. Like, it's good wholesome content. That's what I'm about. That's what I'm about, man. Uplifting, positivity, moving people. That's all I'm about, man, at the end of the day. Like, it's bigger than these cars. I always said that. It's way bigger than these cars, man. So that's gonna pretty much wrap this up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.